clinometer. First, let us define what is a clinometer.
A clinometer or inclinometer is an instrument for measuring angles of slopes, elevation, or depression of an object with respect to gravity.
It is also known as tilt meter, tilt indicator, slope alert, gradient meter, gradiometer, or level gauge.
Using the different units of measures, degrees, percentage, slope.
How can we measure heights of the object if we don't have any clinometer? Let us make a clinometer. Make sure to follow the steps and procedures.
Things needed are straw, tape, nylon string, and protector.
How to do or make a clinometer. Hope you like this, guys. Okay, let's start searching.
First, we need to find a perfect spot and the object to measure.
Keep going.
Go guys!
Never give up.
First, measure the distance from her spot to the base of the object.
Second, use a clinometer to find the angle of elevation. Third, measure the eye level of the girl to the ground. The overview. Hey guys, we're the grade 9 students of Ligan City Session High School and we are out in our math project using a clinometer. Now, let's proceed to the equations.
But wait. We must gather all of our data to solve the height of the very top of the main gate.
By the way, where are the members?
I'm John Mar Piandalo.
I'm Junep H. Bilaw.
I'm Justin Yusihirija.
I'm Abdullah Di Maruhum.
I'm Christian Pinonggan.
I'm Olga Shabrao. I'm Joanna May Tamayo. I think it's...
Hey guys, we're the grade 9 students of Ligan City International High School and we are conducting our vlog for our math for how to use a clinometer. Yeah. Again! Hey guys, we are the grade 9 students of National Yaw.
Hey guys, we are students.
Wala, dili siya ma-post. But wait, there's more. Again. Wait.
Okay, let's get things right.
Hi guys, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and comment down below. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell.
Forget the bell.
Goodbye. Bye guys.
Bye-bye.